So in this video, we're going to continue our career in the Allies army in the online game of HellLetLoose. HellLetLoose is a World War II themed game playing up to 100 people on a server over large maps. It's very much a team game, and if you want to be successful, working in squads with an overarching commander is a must. We've been playing HellLetLoose for a few weeks now, but we've got a lot to learn, and we are very much two idiots, with me being the bigger one. We're both excellent at dying, of course, as you will soon see. US or Germans? Any preference?
No, don't bother me.
Go US because it's low. Garrison 03 is overrun, but there's loads of people there. We could go back one to Garrison 05.
Yeah, let's go west a bit and just get into it. Go left, I think, then.
Left of Sam Eggley's. That's the.
Yeah,
that's
if we head this way.
That's the church. Okay. So they could be coming in from our left, so we're gonna have to watch our left flank. I'll be in here. It's the one I've been to. France.
Oh yeah.
It's where
right,
the
I'm crossing.
Oh,
shit, right side. He's on the roof on the right.
Okay. I lasted 10 seconds dead. Story of my life. Where was he shooting from?
So
I'm splitting up from you.
There's a roof behind here, an open roof.
We're going to ping it? Oh yeah, okay.
So behind this wall.
Okay, I'm coming in from the right side of you.
Up here. He was on top of that building. So was here.
Okay, oh that's where I am at the moment. He ain't here.
There's no one there. Can't see anyone. Yep, so that's where he was, so he's not there now then.
Oh, I'm on the roof.
I don't know whether to clear this house here, behind you.
I'm going towards the church, I'll tell you.
Okay, this is clear.
We've gone on from the church. We're way out behind where the battles are going, by the way. Okay, I'm getting shot at. Where was he shooting from? I'm dead. He was in front of me, to the left of the church.
The OP's gone, so he's right next to the OP. Okay, if you can hold there.
I've got him. I've killed him. I've killed him. He's dead.
Okay, I've got 15 seconds.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one in the area. There's a two. Okay. This must be bloody advanced party.
I ain't bloody killed anyone yet.
Okay, I think we come from the right and we go into St. Mary Glees.
So should we cross here? I don't want to go down that street really. We are open there. I'm going to go opposite this hedge.
There's no one in the church tower. We've got our own little war going on here.
Right, church is there. 121 metres away, what's that? He wants a garrison down.
Is there supplies in the area?
No.
For you to do that?
I don't know why he's done that. There's nothing. Is that a drop?
Could be.
I'm way to the right of you.
Here, look, it's above us. Okay, so we're going to have to be careful now because there's people here. We need to go and build that garrison as you as squad leaders. We need to get to that, I'd say. Should we make our way to it?
Yeah.
I'm going through the... I ain't going down that bloody main road.
No, I'm with you. I'm to the right of you. You just got to try and find that.
It's here. It's where I am.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's above this... It's over the other side of this wall. I can't get over the bloody wall, though. I can't get up there. I can't get over the wall. Can you get up there?
Let's have a go.
You go in there. I can't get up. Can you get on me? If I lay down? Hang on. Let me lie down.
Gonna get shot.
Go on. Get on me. you over?
Hang on, let me sprint onto you. What are you doing? I've done it.
There you are.
Oh no, it's inaccessible. You can't get in here. It's the end of the map.
Well, here's the drop here.
Dead?
Where was he?
No idea. See, we've gone too central.
Well, yeah, we should have gone left.
Well, I'm definitely dead now.
I'm fucking dead. I don't know what that is, but that's a tank or something.
Well, I got shot.
That has got to be one of theirs.
And it's behind this house.
Where? I've got a bazooka here.
So let's get to this house, elevate it into the house. We can look down, see where it is.
Well, I'll stay on the ground. You steer me in.
I'll clear the house.
I just need to know where he is.
Oh, enemy here.
As an enemy, soldiers.
He's dead. He's dead. I got him. Yep. There's an enemy here.
Oh, he's behind you. There's an enemy behind you. That's what I'm hearing. What is that? Is that a tank coming down here?
I've just marked it for them.
Is it a tank?
Yeah.
I'm going to try and get behind him then.
I don't know where we're going. Oh, hang on.
I'm just going to try and get this. He's blown up. He's gone.
Oh, he's dead. Okay. We need to head that way. Oh. Shh. Is that us?
No.
Kill it.
I can't, I'm dead.
Oh.
It's me tank. Alright, I'm going to quickly deploy if I can. Oh, get out of the way. Right, where's that tank? Spot the tank for me.
Okay. Well, he was coming down this road, so... Oh. I'll move up here.
I'm just being shot at and I don't know where from all the time.
I just want to kill one. I ain't done nothing. Right, that's a tank down here. In this road.
Down where?
Follow me down this road. Somebody's marked it 250 metres away.
Where? Wait, just put marking up because I can't see the markings.
Where's that bombing? Okay.
Away from us.
What?
Right. Where is it?
There. Yeah, he sees me.
Who does?
Is that that's an enemy
Shit,
tank coming
enemy
through
tank.
the field?
Get
over
down,
the fence.
get down. I'll let him go past us and I'll get one up his backside. Tell me where he is and I'll jump out once he's gone past.
He's here. He's here. He's here. He's here. He's going to go past you in 3, 2, 1. Get up. Go. Get up. Go, go. You got him. Yes. Go on.
I've got no more tubes now.
Oh, he's angry with you.
Is he blown up?
He's
blown
coming
up.
to you.
Yes, he's blown up.
Oh, we've won. That's one.
I got 1 kill, that's all. But where's my
you won,
artillery support? What am I looking for?
I don't know. I don't think you did anything.
I did. You saw me get 2 rockets up his backside.